Boult Audio presents BassBuds X1 in-ear wired earphones for excellent fit and comfort. These in-ear wired earphones come with a built-in mic for HD calls and Siri or Google Assistant voice command. Ergonomically designed aerospace-grade aluminum alloy drivers give the best acoustics, 3D HD sound and a punchy bass for an amazing experience. The ear loop of this wired earphone hold your buds in ear stably and make it perfectly fit for running, climbing, hiking or cycling. This earphone is lightweight, sweat-resistant and has a stylish premium metallic finish. The micro woofers of these earbuds offer a crystal clear HD sound and an incredibly detailed high-definition audio with 3D surround sound. It has inline controls to answer or reject calls, play or pause and give voice commands. This earphone comes in two color variants, red and grey. Inside the box you will find one earphone, one pair earbuds and instruction manual. This product comes with 1-year standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.